no matter where, whether you're in the South or whether you're in the North, East, or West, everybody is all on the page of helping somebody. Great volunteers, love it.
I'm thrilled to be a small part of making all this happen, because there's so many good people in this world. It's just an honor to see all the people come in and do all that they do for this organization.
This will help us tremendously in our senior nutrition program and in our mobile pantry. So it'll be very helpful to us in feeding that need.
I have a daughter with a disability, and I want to be able to give back to the community and do things for people, because people do stuff for my daughter, and I appreciate it tremendously. And the reason I want to do it for AARP is because it's something that I can do to maybe make a little difference in somebody else's life.